everyone, welcome to my channel. The Ford Flathead V8, particularly the 1940 model, holds a legendary place in automotive history. Revered by hot rodders, collectors, and historians alike, this engine represents a key turning point in accessible American performance. Introduced originally in 1932, the Flathead V8 was Ford's bold answer to the demand for more power and affordability in the rapidly evolving car market. By 1940, the engine had matured into one of the most iconic power plants of its time, combining durability, design simplicity, and performance that captivated a generation. In 1940, the Ford V8 came in two key variants, a 60 horsepower version for economy and the more sought-after 85 horsepower model, which by then had become a staple in Ford's lineup. The latter version featured a 221 cubic inch, 3.6-liter displacement, a cast-iron block, and side valve, or flathead architecture. What made the Flathead unique was its innovative design for the era. The valves were located beside the pistons, rather than overhead, which simplified manufacturing and reduced costs. This simplicity allowed Ford to mass-produce the engine efficiently, making V8 power accessible to average American buyers for the first time. The 1940 Ford V8 wasn't just about raw numbers, it was also about feel. With torque available low, in the rev range it delivered strong pulling power, which made it ideal for everything from family sedans to delivery trucks. More importantly, its tunability caught the imagination of speed enthusiasts. Teenagers in post-war America saw the Flathead as a blank canvas. It was cheap, plentiful, and could be coaxed into impressive performance with some basic mechanical know-how. This was the genesis of the hot rod culture, and the 1940 Flathead V8 played a starring role. Beyond the garage, the Flathead V8 also had cultural significance. During the 1940s and 50s, it became a symbol of freedom and self-expression, especially in the hands of returning World War II veterans who sought adrenaline and independence. It wasn't just an engine, it was a rite of passage. The sight and sound of a Flathead-powered coupe tearing down an empty highway became an enduring image of Americana. Mechanically, while the Flathead had its drawbacks, such as poor cooling in the rear cylinders and limited airflow compared to overhead valve designs, its positives far outweighed the negatives for its time. The engine's low center of gravity and smooth operation contributed to a refined driving experience. Furthermore, its modularity allowed it to serve in various forms across not just cars, but also trucks, tractors, and even military vehicles. In modern times, the Flathead V8 from 1940 is celebrated more than ever. Classic car shows, vintage races, and restoration projects frequently showcase this engine, and entire businesses are devoted to its upkeep and performance tuning. For enthusiasts, it's not just nostalgia. It's a connection to a golden age of American innovation, where design met function in one of the most democratic engines ever built. Ultimately, the 1940 Ford V8 Flathead stands as a testament to the power of smart engineering and cultural timing. It transformed the American automotive landscape and continues to inspire generations, not only for what it was, but for everything it set in motion.